Class 10, Chapter 5, Mathematics, Arithmetic Progression. Example 1 for AP. AP means Arithmetic Progression. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus half, minus 3 by 2. Write first term A and common difference D. This is the first term. Common difference means this minus this, or this minus this, or this minus this. You can choose any two consecutive terms. Here I have taken first and second. First term is A. A is called 3 by 2 here in this problem. Common difference, half minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. That is the common difference. Now, common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms. Example 2. Which of the following list of numbers? He has given some list of numbers. Which of them is AP? If it is in AP, the common difference should be same. Okay? Always first term will be there. Here 4, here 1, here minus 2, here 1. But common difference is 10 minus 4, 6. So I have taken A2 minus A1. 10 minus 4 is 6. A3 minus A2. 16 minus 10 is 6. Very good. This is 6 and 6. And 22 minus 16, that is also 6. The sequence is in the AP. This, second one. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. This is A2, this is A1. A2 minus A1 minus 2. A3 minus A2. A3 minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. Everything is minus 2. The sequence is an AP. First term is 1. Three. Minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2. What is A2 minus A1? 2 minus of minus 2. 4. What is A3 minus A2? Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 4. Here, first common difference is 4, second common difference is minus 4. They are not in AP. They are not in AP. 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. This is not at all in AP. A2 minus A1 is 1 minus 1, 0. But here, A4 minus A3, A4 minus A3, 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 is not equal to 1. So they are not in AP. You can select any consecutive terms. Here you see, first and second and first. Next, I have not taken this one and this one. I have taken this one and this one. I can take this one and this one also. Again you will get 0. Now we will go to the exercise 5.1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression? First situation is the taxi fare, after which the taxi fare after each km when the fare is 15 for the first km and rupees 8 for each km additional. First, when auto goes going and our taxi fare becomes 15. From then onwards, each kilometer it adds 8. So here first term becomes 15. This one becomes first term. This becomes common difference. So they form AP. So 15, 8, 23 plus 8, 31, that is in AP. 15, 23, 31, etc., etc. 1 adding 8. So this is in AP. In which of the following situations does the list? In this situation it is AP. Second situation, let us see. Second situation. That is second situation. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter and rise 50 for every additional meter. So first meter costs 150. So if you dig one more meter, you have to add 8 rupees, 158. If you dig third meter also, you should add 150 plus 2 times 8, 2 8s. Or add 8 to this or add 2 8s to this. Doesn't matter, both are same, 166. So here it becomes AP. AP. Okay? We take A as 150, this one, this one, and this is rupees 50 per additional, and I am adding 8, 50. 150 plus 50 is 200. 200 plus 50. Or 150 plus 50 is 150 plus 50 is 200. 200 plus 50 is 250. So 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, like that it goes. So this is in AP. This is in AP. This problem you should correct. Only thing is, instead of 50, originally I have taken 8. While writing in your notebook, you change it to 50. See, there are nowhere 50 is there. Everywhere 8 is there. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is 50. This is another 50. 150. 150. This is 200. This is 250. That's it. A is first term is 150 and B is 50. Final answer. Let us see the third situation. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8%. See, simple interest means what is 8% of this? 8% of this 10,000 is 800. So they will go on adding 800, 800, 800 every year. But he says here it is compound interest. The calculation will be different. First year after depositing 10,000, he gets 10,000 plus 10,000 times 8 by 100. That is 10,800. Second year after depositing, 10,800 plus 10,800 is not 10,000 here, 10,800 will come. Okay? 10,800 and 8%, 8 by 100. That is 10,864. What is the difference? 64 is the difference. Now, third year, what? You should take this as in the principal amount. 10,864 plus 10,864 times 8 by 100. That is 869. So, 11,733. What is the difference between this and this? 69. The difference is changing. See, here it is 64, it is 69. This is not in AP. So there is no first term, there is no common difference. Second one. The problem number 2 is write first 4 terms of AP when first term A and common difference D is given as follows. A10, D10. So first write A, add D. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. It goes on and on. A is minus 2, D is 0. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. A4, D minus 3. 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4 minus 8 minus 9. What is this 9? What is this 9? Oh, D is 3, right? Minus 3. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. This is the sequence. 1 minus 2 minus 5. This is the sequence. A minus 1, D half. Minus 1 is the first term. Minus 1 plus half is the second term. Minus 1 plus half is minus half. Next, minus 1 is 2 minus half. Minus 1 minus half minus. There is no minus to this, right? Minus 1 is A. Add D. A plus D. 2D. It's half. 2 times half is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Here, you add 3 times half. 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 2 is plus half. See, I am adding everything for the first term only. You can do it in a different way. Minus 1, minus half, 0, half is the sequence. A minus A 125, D 0.25. Everything is like that only. It goes on increasing by 0.25. 1.25, 1.25 plus 0.25, 1.25 here. 1.25 plus 0.25. 0.25 is 1.75. 1.7 plus 0.25, 2. 1.25, 1.5, 1.72. This is the sequence. So everything is like that. I just scroll, you just note down. You can note down or read. So with this problem, the exercise, what is it, 5.1? This is completed. We will do 5.2 in our next video. Karuna Chupavaya Varamuliya. Thank you for watching.